Horde is here, circling the target zone.
Dock to entry team. Suspects have taken refuge in the area and are refusing to cooperate. Move in, remember your ROE, and secure the area.
Eyes on the target. They're moving near the south side.
Civilians down!
Dock to element. Proceed with mission.
You won't do
Sige
it.
na, no.
Push down slowly! Don't move! Hands down! Leave hands in the air! Get down! Get out! Police! Drop the weapon! Hands up! Hands in the air!
Let them all tipped up.
Cuffing! They're good. Lead the talk. Good to go.
This is Dock. Trailers
Ito,
en route.
nito. Wow, inukak pa yung pinakaman niya.
How do those feel, sport?
You love flexing that badge, huh?
Ilang mo siya
Dock to lead. Trailers inbound.
Headlight.
Inukak po.
This is LSPD SWAT. The rig has been taken over by extremists from the United Planet Front. Repeat, the rig has been taken over. We have heavy contact with the suspects. Several civilians are dead, with others being held hostage somewhere on the rig. We need medical...
Put your hands up! Put your hands where you feel!
Need to talk. Civilian good to go.
Element. This is Dock. Keep going.
Setting that down might have just stayed this way.
Get down and don't move! Now! Police, hands up! LSPD! LSPD, don't move!
It isn't worth it. We gotta divide you.
Dock to element. Collect what you can and keep moving.
Suspect ready to go.
Suspect ready to go.
Element to talk.
Entry team.
Suspect good to go.
Secure.
Entry team. This is Dock.
Please, talk. Get us out of Civilian ready for transport. Entry team to talk. Civvy is ready.
Lead. This is Dock. Send them our way.
Kamu nga. Kailangan? Namin.
Let me go, I can help. I want you to get down slowly. LSPD, don't move!
We have to keep you restrained for now. Civilian restraint.
treat people!
Need to talk. Good to go.
This is Dock.
Kamay na
Trailers
makapalit ko.
inbound.
Whatever happens, the message is already out there.
Show me your hands!
Put it down. Move.
You ain't ready to reach for it! Put your fucking hands up! Drop your weapon! Hands in the air!
Shit. Okay. You're under arrest.
We're on our arrest! Survive!
Asshole.
Get down now!
Suspect secure. Ready for pickup.
Element. This is Dock.
Back off.
Trailers ready.
Fuck off! LSPD, hands up! Stay calm. We'll get you out of here. Civilian restraint.
It's the guy from the boat!
Civilian is cuffed and good to go.
Talk.
Lead. This is Dock. Trailers
Entry
en
team to
route.
talk. We got weapons here.
Lead to talk. Weapon on site.
Come out with your hands up! LSPD, come out! Hands in the air! Put your hands up now! Arms outstretched!
You have anything on you that might hurt me?
Hands up! Don't move! Don't even think about it! Lead to talk! fight the cuffs.
All of you are gonna burn.
Target located. West. Keep eyes sharp.
ทำไมรีบ
Doc
ปั๊ม
here.
นะ
Trailer's ready.
You burn in hell for what you do.
มันนำมา
Cooperate and this will be over soon.
Picked up and good to go.
ชั่วโมงนะประมาณนี้
Here.
Doc to entry team. Move on.
Don't defend yourself.
จะมาเกี่ยวปักกันนะ
Stay cool. Stay cool.
Kaliyota magkaksungan siya.
Got a civilian down.
Doc, continue with your mission.
I won't go anywhere. Get down and put your hands up! Put your hands where I can see them! Keep your hands behind your back, Nia. All good.
It's a goddamn shame. You could have turned the other cheek.
Line.
Entry team, this is Doc. Trailers notified.
You get down and put your hands over. Give yourself up. Police, don't move.
On your position now. We're going to be overhead shortly.
Don't move. Police, get down. Anything on you that might hurt me? This isn't even half of the plan.
Element to dock.
What am this arm?
Doc here. Continue mission.
Suspect ready.
Doc to entry team. Notifying trailers.
LSPD, don't move!
Helicopter departing your area. Eyes off for now.
Our message is far and wide.
Civilian is down.
Doc to element. You are clear to proceed.
You'll burn in hell for what you do. Don't run or reach for anything! Hands in the air! Get down now!
I'm not a criminal!
LSPD, hands up! This is procedure. Civilian is cuffed and good to go. Civilian good to go.
This is Doc. Trailers on the way.
Don't worry, it's over now.
Don't mess around with the gun.
Civilian ready to go.
Let's go! It's over!
Suspect doesn't
Entry unit to TOC. Civilian is secured.
TOC to lead.
Congratulations! You want a free ride to the station. Suspect ready for way. Lead to TOC. Suspect secure. Ready for pickup.
TOC to element. We're ready for him.
I give up! I can help, please. Stay calm and cooperate. Got it.
You have no idea what's coming.
Suspect in custody.
Entry team, this is TOC. Notifying trailers.
Kommunikatie zocht nodig met het flow, met het status van
Earth's burning. What are you doing to stop it?
Pinga ko ra. Ay ngang ko. Ayun na. Kulaan. Ay. Sige. Okay.
Good to go. Element to TOC.
TOC to lead. Roger, trailers inbound.
Kamani parup.
Senator on our side!
Get down and put your hands up!
Tigusiput. Kahit sa punga.
Go! Before they blow this place to hell!
Yun ang basta po.
TOC. Weapon safe.
Siya Pisimasoq. Ele captou o meu filho e ajuda. Kurano. Tinha que fazer. Tinha que fazer.
Put me on the radio. I have a message for all of you.
This is Coast with the warning to all vessels near the site of drilling platform.
Ikaw naman kumugak ko siya rin. Kamunit yung matutcheck sa mga nakumugak ko
You have
siya
no
rin.
idea what's going on here, do you?
So, ang mukha po ang kanunga. Sinusot yung agad ko. Piso ko yan na.
This can't be happening. You'll burn in hell for what you do.
There were too many of them.
We're just a tiny sniper of the UPS. Light stick out.
You'll burn in hell for what you do. Bastard! Dios mío.
Oh shit!
Shit!
What the gun?
I surrender!
LSPD, get down! I don't want you causing any problems, all right?
This isn't even half of the plan.
Element to talk. Suspect in custody.
Lead this talk. Continue with objective.
LSPD! Police!
I don't want to get shot.
Police, don't move! Get down and don't move! Officers are waiting outside. Civilian ready to go. Entry team to talk.
This is talk. Element, this is talk.